it's Megan with WTI, and I have used so many different eye creams over the years, but I can say without a doubt that this Veriphy 2020 eye cream has become one of my favorites. I absolutely love the consistency of this cream. I love the texture of it, but at the same time, it provides just the right amount of hydration that I need. I've had eye creams in the past that really don't absorb well into my skin, and they kind of start to come off in these little annoying rolls, and they look absolutely horrendous under makeup. I am so happy that that is not the case at all with this 2020 eye cream. Using it results in a beautiful, smooth surface for me to apply my makeup flawlessly on top. It has been amazing for all day wear. I find that the skin around my eyes can sometimes tend to be dry and tight and sensitive, but when using this 2020 cream, my skin just feels so comfortable and hydrated all day long. This Veriphy 2020 eye cream has been absolutely everything that I look for in an eye cream. But that's just my point of view.